This week in the Frame Shop, we created this Brooklyn Bridge piece on brushed aluminum. Now, normally when you're printing, you assume, printing presses assume that there's a white background, whether you're using offset printing press or digital printing. When you print on a background that's not white like this, then all the parts that are normally white now show through as silver. So this is a really interesting and different technique. Now you can also do this with color photography, color pictures. In this case, again, the white background is showing up as silver, but the color parts, you can also see a shimmer of the silver that comes through. This piece has spot white. So underneath the yellow, there's white ink underneath the yellow. So it comes through as a vibrant yellow, whereas the rest of the picture you can see the silver coming through the printing. And lastly, I have a piece, this one is printed on wood. So there's lots of different creative substrates that are not white, where you can get a different look, a different texture that's going to show through. So if you found this helpful, I hope you will like this video, follow our YouTube channel, head over to our website and check out our blog and our lookbooks, and you can always schedule a 15-minute Zoom consultation with me to discuss these techniques. Thank you, and I will see you next time in the Frame Shop.